everyone, we are about to change a 2017 Volkswagen Passat. The batteries for the key remote. It's going dead. You could pick up a 2032 at Dollar Tree. I mean, come on. Why go to Walmart? Why go to CVS? Dollar Tree got it for $1.25. You can't beat it, my people. It's the Almighty giving y'all the value today. How we going to change the 2017 remote control battery. First you want to do is pop the key out. This is for 2017 model. And you're going to see this inside right here. Flip. You want to, kind of gently lift this part up without breaking it, of course. You don't want to break anything. So we need something. But, okay, we got it, right? And then you just want to kind of get the batteries out of there, which you could either try to knock it out, or you might have to use the Okay, pause the video for a second. Okay, we're back. Man, you know something? Thought I needed a flathead, but it's a very simple thing. Messing around, you just pull it back to the side and you flip it up. Just like that. You slip in the new one. Just slip it in there. Under, you gotta tuck it under and push it in. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna bring it back over here. Make sure we put in the right thing. Clip this side in, then push this down. And voila! Brand new batteries. 2017 remote control battery, 2032. Get it at Dollar Tree. Bump Walmart. Bump CVS. Come on, Almighty's telling you and giving you value. Dollar Tree. Bye for now.